Jai Hind everyone. I, Dr. Prashant Mani Tripathi, going to deliver a lecture on topic IMT-2000. This topic basically contains is taken from wireless communication, and this topic is useful for the undergraduate program uh, for electronics and communication engineering student studying in 7th semester. So, in this topic, we will cover IMT 2000, and in this presentation, we will see what was the requirement of IMT 2000, what does it means, everything we will cover in this presentation. So, first of all, IMT 2000 is focused to provide wireless access services for the 21st century, in which we can access services wirelessly anywhere and anytime. IMT 2000 stands for International Mobile Telecommunication 2000. The figure 2000 stands for kickoff around year 2000, and it uses a frequency of 2000 megahertz and transmission rate is 2000 kbps. That's why it is known as IMT 2000. Before IMT 2000, the second generation mobile communication was in use, in which GSM was popular. GSM stands for Global Service for Mobile Communication, and it has two unique features, which is SIM and privacy. SIM stands for Subscriber Identity Module, and in GSM we have capability to secure our information. In GSM, the data rate was a little bit slow, and with the increasing technology and mobility, we required a large data rate, as well as we need to integrate multiple services over the communication technologies. Like we can transfer data, multimedia services, as well as videos along with audio. So, with the introduction of GSM, everyone was searching some higher technology to support these features, and with the features that we have seamless connectivity as well as global roaming. That's why IMT 2000 came into existence. So, first we will see what was the objectives of IMT 2000. So, first objective was global service capabilities in 2000. In year 2000, we want a device, a technology which we can use across the whole world. Second objective was terrestrial and satellite communication. Our purpose was to provide a global communication which includes satellite communication also. And third objective was reduction in telecommunication gap. Fourth was flexible seamless service provision. Fifth was wider range of services terminals. Next, fixed mobile, public and private. And last is improved operation efficiencies. These were the objectives of IMT 2000, in which we need a device which we can use across the whole world. Also, we can improve the data rate, as well as it can support multiple services integrated over a common line. The goal of IMT 2000 is also reflected in this pictorial form. It must have multimedia services capability. As we know that for multimedia services capability, we need a higher speed, higher data transmission rate, and up to 2 Mbps, and multiple operational environment capability. It must be capable to provide services anywhere, which means that it must be capable of providing services indoor as well as outdoor. The quality of services is also very important when we talk about wireless communication, and the quality of communication is must be comparable to the fixed phone line services. So, goal of IMT-2000 was to provide a high quality services which must be comparable to fixed line network. Next is global mobility capability, so that we can move anywhere across the world. This was the goal of IMT-2000. In 21st century, we want such a system which can provide multiple facilities, which these facilities are universal services which we can anywhere in the world. The quality of services must be appropriate. It can support multimedia services, and as well as global mobility is also very important in 21st century. Along with these features, we need personal services also, and IMT-2000 was a key to fulfill all these services. In IMT-2000, there was two international standard. One was GPP2 and 3GPP. The 3GPP stand for Third Generation Partnership Project in 1998, and 3GPP2 stands for Third Generation Partnership Project in 1999. 3GPP is responsible for basically other technologies like GSM, UMTS, LTE and 5G standard, whereas 3GPP2 was created mainly for developing standards for CDMA, mobile phone. Both standards play an important role in the 3G cellular technology and their evolution. Studying of signaling scheme was initiated by ITUT. ITUT stands for International Telecommunication Union, telecommunication sector, whereas in 1993, IMT-2000 basically integrate all the various technologies which was preceders of IMT-2000. It contains IMT-DS, where we use WCDMA and direct spread spectrum modulation technique, IMT-MC, which contains CDMA 2000, multi-carrier modulation scheme, IMT-TC, UTRAN, TDD, time division duplexing. Next, time division synchronous CDMA, IMT-SC uses edge technology, and IMT-FT, which contains frequency as well as time domain specification. Here is the evolution path of IMT-2000, where GSM was the main component where the technology ready to move. GSM next version is GPRS, and when the GPRS is updated, we move towards edge technologies. In edge technologies, when we updated these technologies, we again found WCDMA, and with the GPRS, we are going to move from 2.5 generation to third generation. In terms of 3GPP2, in which firstly we uses time division multiple access. After that, with the invention of CDMA and its versions like CDMA 1, IS-95A, interim standard 95B, we came across CDMA 2000. And after CDMA 2000, we moved towards CDMA 2000. These are the standards of ITU and IMT-2000, where we have integrated various parts to obtain a higher speed service and third generation mobile telecommunication. IMT-2000 has capability to collaborate the various existing technologies for providing the high speed data services and support to various multimedia services. Now we will see what was the IMT-2000. First, IMT-2000 is a third generation wireless communication technology, and its purpose is to provide the various services anytime, anywhere. Also, it supports global roaming, provides higher data rate, and it supports packet switching concept. As we have earlier seen that IMT 2000 stands for International Mobile Telecommunication 2000, and the 2000 is used because it has a frequency of 2000 megahertz, speed is 2000 kbps, and it comes into year 2000. Its vision was to provide a common spectrum worldwide. It supports multiple environments. It is not only confined to cellular, cordless, satellite, it supports all the technologies. It provides a wider range of data communication services like data, voice, multimedia services. It also utilizes the spectrum very efficiently. It supports a data rate of 9.6 kbps or higher for global, that is a mega cell, 144 kbps in case of macro cell, and 384 kbps in case of micro cell. And it also provides an speed of 2 mbps for indoor environment. It offers global seamless roaming. Its security is very good as compared to its previous version, and in case of performance, it performs very good as compared to previous versions. It also integrates the wireless and wireline services in an efficient manner, so that it can support all the services which are required at a large data rate. The major 3G technologies proposed in IMT 2000 was WCDMA along with GSM, CDMA 2000 with EV-DO. EV-DO stands for Evolution Data Optimized or Evolution Data Only. This is basically a 3G broadband technology, and it was primarily used for CDMA network to provide mobile data transmission and internet access. Next technology was Universal Wireless Communication. Next is DUCT, which stands for Digitally Enhanced Cordless Telephony, and TDS-CDMA, which is known as Time Division Synchronous Code Division Multiple Access Technique, which is also a 3G mobile telecommunication standard in which TDMA and CDMA techniques are combined with the help of efficient antenna technologies. IMT 2000 capable of providing various services, like it can support all the 2G services, which includes registration, authentication and encryption, SMS, short message services, and emergency calling. Actually, earlier we have seen that the 2G has capability to register, authenticate the caller and to encrypt the information. So, IMT-2000 was capable to provide all these services which to second generation wireless communication, that was a GSM, was able to provide. It has also facility of emergency calling and to send short message services. In IMT-2000, we have a bit rate of 144 kbps for higher for vehicular, macrocell, 384 kbps for pedestrian and up to 2 Mbps for indoor environment. It has also capability of billing, charging and users profile. It can charge for various services which we avail from the network provider. It provides detailed call recording. Also, it has standardized the user's profile. It supports graphical position finding services for the mobile as well as network. And as we have seen that its quality of services was comparable to fixed line phones. Also, it supports multimedia services and it also supports asymmetric link where downloading is more than uploading. It has fixed and variable rate. Bit rate we can obtain up to 2 Mbps, as we have seen that this bit rate was varying with the cell as well as indoor and outdoor. It offers packet services. The data can be transferred with the packet switching concept. Also, it supports internet access. The IMT-2000 family concept, actually it combines various other technologies also to provide the services in an efficient manner. Actually, the IMT-2000 family concept define some basic interoperability capabilities between different IMT-2000 technologies to enable global roaming. Actually, purpose was IMT-2000 is to provide a service which can be availed across the whole world. It combines different radio access network like CDMA 2000, WCDMA, Universal Wireless Communication 136, and it also combined different core network standard like Interim Standard 41, GSM, and Integrated Service Digital Network. So, purpose was to integrate the various existing technologies to provide users a common platform for availing all the services in an efficient manner. And keeping this in view, IMT-2000 standard was developed. The main challenges for family concept was with IMT-2000 standard interface and capability, any family random access network could interface with any family core network for some minimum set of features. Also, more advanced features are possible only in limited regions. The core network functionality should be kept independent of the radio technologies. By maintaining independence, each can evolve separately based on the need. User identity module, just like the SIM, plug-in modules could be used in locally rented handset for global roaming. This is the pictorial view of global roaming. In IMT-2000, we have facility to enjoy the global roaming without changing our mobile terminal and number. Key functions for IMT-2000, it support broad bandwidth, which can accommodate multiple services, and the data rate can vary from low speed voice to high speed graphic communication. It has it has a support of asymmetric communication, that is video on demand. Also, it has a provision of point to multi-point communication or information distribution services. IMT-2000 system requirements was high spectrum efficiency. Actually, with the introduction of IMT-2000, its spectrum efficiency has just double from the most efficient system. It provides universal mobility, global mobility, personal, terminal. It supports all kind of mobility, and it supports intelligent service and its portability, and it has the multimedia capability in which the speed can be varied from 144 kbps to 384 kbps. As we have seen that IMT was less with different kind of features like higher speed, global roaming. It has capability to provide multimedia communication. We have listed the important features of IMT-2000 in this page, which has high speed and wideband. Second was multiple data rates. Third, high spectrum efficiency, multimedia compatible. Third is global standard. Network capability of IMT-2000 is mobile multimedia service capabilities, in which we have seen that the data can be transferred with a higher speed. It supports point to multi-point transmission, quality of services, and various supplementary services is also supported by IMT-2000. It supports the internet connection services. IP-based services is also supported by IMT-2000. It supports IP-based closed user group, and it also supports mobile-oriented applications. These are the references which I have used for preparing this presentation.